Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my Fishing Reel channel. Today I'm gonna be doing some striper fishing. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be setting bottom baits. Bait of choices. I'm using some power worms. Gonna be setting bottom bait. Today is right now is 9:41. Today is it's a Tuesday, 4/25/2023. You guys stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell icon up there. Much appreciate you guys. Alright, let's get to some striper fishing. Alright guys, let's see what kind of lure we got today. Gonna be using some power worms. Here you guys go. Look at these striper candies. Oh man, there's some good sized ones too. Alright guys, stay tuned for some striper fishing. Just gonna put my stand right here. Just cast it out over there. Let it drip to the bottom. Gonna be throwing this 4-ounce weight right here. Maybe you guys can see it. 4-ounce weight right here. I like to use a swivel right here, and then I'll put my weight right here. It's got a really good bottom weight right here. I like to use right here, the octopus hook. And you guys can see that these are really good because if you're putting like anchovies, sardines, or using like power worms to bloodworms, these hooks they really stay connected. When a fish bite, you get that curve right here, so you get that good lock on the fish, you know. All right guys, stay tuned. All right guys, I'm gonna show you how I rig this. So these power worms, man, they have teeth, man. Like if you get one, you could just like right here, this is what I usually do. You don't have to do it like the way I do it. You could just cut this head off right here, just cut that head off. Right here, just cut the head out right here. Alright guys, right here, because they got teeth, man. These ones, they can bite you too. Alright, you guys see that? I just cut out the head right here. I don't need that. You just need this good part right here. This is all you need. Right here, sorry. This is all you really need. Just a good part right here. Can't bite you no more, you know. So just set this. You guys can see it. Right, and this is pretty much all you have. I got everything set up. Cast the torch to the left. Bomb this to the left in here. Yep. Let it fall to the bottom. Yep, I feel it. Water's going towards the right, so Hopefully my weight stays there. Still falling, but should be good. Just set it right here. All right, and let's give it a couple tug. See if it's stuck or is it. Oh yeah, it's setting good right there. All right. Don't forget this, you guys. Always the bell, man. Right here. All right, guys. I got my rod out. You guys stay tuned. I got a bite, guys. Oh, I got one. Oh yeah. I don't know what is it. But I got one. Damn, how long did it have my bait? Oh, there you guys go. Oh. Little 16, 17. You guys go. Some beautiful California Deltas stripers. You guys go. Stay tuned. Beautiful striper. Look at this guy. Guys, let's measure this guy. Oh, it's a little 16 incher right here. Yep, little 16 incher. Man, beautiful striper, guys. All right, let's let you go, boy. All right, stay tuned. Hopefully I can land a keeper. All right. Ooh. All right. Go back. All right. There you go. All right, guys. Just got done rigging up again. Another power one. That fish that was on my line, I think it took my bait already, but I didn't notice that I had a fish on because earlier my rod was kind of bending right to the left. I did feel that bite, but I wasn't sure that if it was the fish or the current. So I got it rigged up again. Let's cast it out there again. Yeah, there we go. Okay, stick to the bottom. I had a bite. Take out my bail. Man, look at this. It's the smallest striper I ever caught. Playing with my bait, man. Let's go. Super small little dink. This little fish choked my whole lure. It had it in its mouth for a while now. Look at that. It choked it all the way in there. I just saved this little striper. It swallowed the whole thing in its mouth. I was really careful, not trying to hurt this little striper. Wanted to survive. I want him to live. There you go. He's swimming. Don't die on me. I just help you. You just need to get more. Come on. You got it. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. You got it. There you go. Swim. Come on, keep going. You got this. There you go, come on. Come on. This way, this way. Come on, this way. There you go. I'm gonna revive you. Come on. There you go. Come on. You got it. Keep going, keep swimming. Come on, keep swimming. Man, I tried my best. I know he's not hurt bad, but I'm trying to help him. Because I was careful with that hook. Let's see if I can revive him. Come on. Come on, little fella. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Back to the sea. Back to the sea. Alright guys, just got done rigging up my power worm. Let's cast it out there. Oh, all right, bomb it out there. Let's sink to the bottom. I've been catching dinks today, man, but at least I'm not skunking, so that's something that I'm proud of. A fish is a good fish. Any fish is a good fish. That's what the theory said. All right, come on. Set to the bottom. All right, there goes my bell. Just wait. Get another bite. That log. See that log over there, man? That's what's, oh man. That's what was dragging my line. I gotta recast it. There was a big log that was floating through there. It got on my line, dragged my line away over there. I gotta recast it. Alright, just cast my rod. So wait again right now. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, I'm just gonna be here probably another like 20-30 minutes. And I'm probably gonna switch up to a different spot. It's pretty slow at this spot, so I just want to land at least a 25-incher, or you know, at least a keeper today. Stay tuned, stay follow, and hopefully we can land a keeper today. All right, stay tuned. location right here, guys. Stay tuned. Just got done rigging it up right here. Just cast it out there. Right. Just let it sink. Oh, sink to the bottom. Right, this set right here. Looks like it's good right there. So, all right, guys, stay tuned and stay follow. See if I can land a keeper today. Just want to thanks to all you followers and subscribers that's following my channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more fishing videos soon. Not just striper. I target all kind of species. I fish for bass, everything. Pretty much as long as it's fish, I'm fishing for them. All right, guys, stay tuned. Ooh, yeah, see that? Hitting. Take it. Hopefully this spot produce some stripers. They need to just take the bait, stop playing with my bait, and just take the whole bait, and fish will just be shaking and set the hook. Just gotta check your bait every 34 minutes just to make sure that your bait is still on. See, that's, you guys get what I mean? See, like, they took a little bit already, so you always gotta check your bait every like 30-40 minutes if it's not touching no more, you know. All right, let me rig this up real quick. Okay. Just got done rigging my bait again. Just cast it out there. Right, there you go. Leave my bill right here. Alright, just waiting. Oh, damn. That was a bite, guys. What the hell, man? What's wrong with these dinks today, man? Been landing these dinks all day. Ah, look at that, guys. How am I gonna be working with these dinks, man? You need to go tell your grandpas and grandmas come eat my bait, man. I'm trying to land a keeper today. We got a shark. You're the one that was playing with my bait. Look at this little guy. All right, I need one of your big family stripers to come eat my bait. There you go. See you later. All right, guys. Just rigged up my worm. Caught too many shakers today, man. Hopefully I could catch a keeper, at least an 18 up. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, that should be good. All right, put my builder. Just caught that little shaker, but you know, still a good day fishing when you're still catching, you know. Stay tuned. You guys see the sea line over there? Oh, he's all the way over there.